That's not bad. That's a beautiful engine. It's all clean.
Yeah. This is what I was going to do. Because Popeye had a 71 Ford. I was going to do that to his truck. Oh. Trucks are for bigger scratchers. See, I was going to do this to his truck. I was going to chrome it all out, make it look all beautiful on the inside.
You gotta love chrome when it's in the engine.
Put all original interior in it.
This is a beautiful car.
Needs a little bit of paint work, but it's good. It's a nice car, though.
It is very nice.
Needs a little work, but...
Man, imagine if I own one of these as my...
Giddy up.
That's not bad. That's a beautiful engine. It's all clean.
Yeah. This is what I was going to do. Because Popeye had a 71 Ford. I was going to do that to his truck. Oh. Trucks are for bigger scratchers. See, I was going to do this to his truck. I was going to chrome it all out, make it look all beautiful on the inside.
You gotta love chrome when it's in the engine.
Put all original interior in it.
This is a beautiful car.
Needs a little bit of paint work, but it's good. It's a nice car, though.
It is very nice.
Needs a little work, but...
Man, imagine if I own one of these as my... It's Viper powered. Yeah. Oh! Look at that Model T. This thing's powered by a Viper engine. That's crazy.
I sent a picture of it to a buddy of mine. Those are sick. That's what I want.
What's that?
Damn, boy. $5,000?
Nuh-uh, I have to. Let me see the interior.
Whoa!
That needs a little work. Needs a little work.
This has potential, dude.
Oh, it's a Bel Air.
This has potential. Yeah, this has a lot of potential. Hey, you can sleep back here.
Oh, no.
I'm not gonna put you back there, but I'm just saying it's big enough where you can sleep back there. This is how cars used to be made. Made right.
Look at that engine, though.
That's beauty. Dude, that's a beauty.
Tell him he's the guy who built it.
What?
Yeah, it's his car.
That's a beauty.
It even comes with a trailer.
God, I gotta admit, that's really cool. I don't know how you built that.
If I had the money, I'd do it.
Oh, that's for sale. Oh, that's a Chevy.
Yeah, I could almost pull a prank on Grandma, but she'd probably shoot me if I did it.
What did you...
Send her a picture of that yellow truck and say, "Hey, Mom, look what I bought." She'd shoot me for that one. Are you serious?
Dang.
Kidding, Mom.
Viper engine in that truck. Oh, look at that interior. Oh, that's cool.
Oh my God. Oh, Julian.
You want it? No, right now. Give it. Give it.
Look at that.
That's my favorite type of model too. Oh. Oh, that's sick.
That's what I do with my 75.
Look at these seats. They're racing seats. This one has racing seats. Oh, it has a bar. This thing has a nitrous bottle in it too. This thing has a nitrous bottle in it. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, look at that spoiler on there.
Look at that.
It has an NO2 bottle in it, I think.
Got NOS.
Look at that spoiler too. I've never seen one like that ever.
Oh, look at what? Look, yeah. Look at to the right. That's beauty.
What is this? A Chevy?
A 50 sled. Oh. There's my truck right there.
Oh, nice white walls.
Julian. Same colors, except I want the 220. That'd be it right there.
That's pretty.
That old truck right there. That's about an 85, 86, maybe an 87. That's a Sierra Classic. Those are nice.
Damn, those white walls are so fresh.
Look at how much it is. It's for sale.
It's $27,500. It's not bad.
'66 Chevy Chevelle Malibu.
Oh, that's cool.
What's the motor in that?
350.
350? Look how much it is.
There's one like this on the reservation, right? What you say right now?
This is a paint job?
That's all it needs is a paint job.
That'll work. The engine needs a lot of chrome.
It needs a little work. Yeah.
I like
Mostly cosmetic though. It's like just needs cosmetic work on the motor. It runs great.
I love chrome on my engines when it's a classic car like this one. You can't beat it at all.
You check this whole Chevy out.
It's almost a modern supercar.
Wait a minute.
That's beautiful. That is really nice. Look at that bed. Oh, that's cool. Whoa. Isn't that the first model Corvette?
No.
Oh.
No limits.
It's fuel signature. Oh.
1958 retro. Corvette convertible.
That is nice.
It's got 430 horsepower LS3 in it.
That is really nice. I've never seen this
Guess how much it
type.
cost to build it?
How much?
$175K. That's beautiful.
What? That thing sounds really nice.
It's really got a hold on you. That's nice, bro.
This thing's been really good shape. What?
That is beautiful.
This thing is so clean.
That is beautiful.
This thing is so clean.
That is beautiful.
The same.
Hey, look at the Elky. That's a beauty.
The V8.
That's a beauty.
Really nice interior. I like this Chevy. I think that's a paint job.
Look at that. 51 Chevy. Julian, look. Hey, Julian. Remember that Camaro you liked? Yeah.
Oh, this thing has a Corvette engine in it too. There, 15 horsepower.
It's a 1994. It's one of 500.
So this is a rare car.
Yeah, it's 18,000 bucks.
They should overprice it more.
Wow.
That is a.
One of 173.
Hey, look,
black.
a Plymouth Barracuda.
There's my car.
Oh, that sounds nice. Gotta judge. Nice engine, bro. Nice engine, bro. What's that interior look like? There's a roll bar in it. Thing has roll bar.
It's badass, ain't it?
Thing's a Plymouth. Oh, ew! Wow.
Look at this Ford.
Look at that Ford Model T right there. Nice. What?
God, that's beautiful.
I know. Has a step.
LS3 powered Camaro.
Let me know about the show.
Wow.
This one has racing seats too.
That's beautiful.
The 4-speed.
Well, I don't ever remember it because, you know, like I grew up there in the 60s. Was it there then? Okay.
Oh, no, 60,
Okay.
Both of them have racing seats. Ooh, come look at this interior. That is what? Oh, that fits. Oh. That is just calling me.
Look at that Camaro.
That's a convertible. That is a really nice car. It's a Model T.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, look at these exhausts.
Look at the back tire.
This is heckin' nice. This is my favorite model
Is that
Camaro.
what I think it is? No, he didn't.
Oh, we gave him a Hot Wheel? I would too.
Oh my God.
Man, this is such a nice car. I want one so bad. So this is a Dodge Dart Swinger, I think. Oh, this is clean. That's a Dodge Dart Swinger. I like that line on the back. I want it now.
So I'll put some work into that one.
I like that giant stepper that goes with the freaking
Yeah.
that engine.
Right?
God dang.
Giddy up, giddy up.
That engine needs a little work. That's just me though. The engine needs a little work, but that's it. Man, that's beautiful. You got a Chevy.
Hey.
This is an actual pace car from.
Yeah, isn't that cool or what?
This is from NASCAR.
Yeah. $1,500 for a 350.
That's sick. I like this
There's a 350 thumper with 330 horsepower. I know we had a 71 Ford pickup with 390 in it.
Window needs a lot of cleaning. I'm sorry. Oh, this is a Model A.
Beauty though. So, anyway, well, I'll let you go. That ain't a Richard. That's a 60. Falcon, dude. That's a Falcon.
Oh, it's a Plymouth.
There's a car. That's Grandma's car. But I'm not gonna go there. Hey, Julian, turn around.
Is that a Viper?
That's the SRT-10. Micro bus. Sweet looking.
Has the car? I think it comes with the included cargo too.
Whoa.